Hi, we're back with another YouTube video of devices I trash hauled from the recycle. Well, there it is. I trash hauled a Galaxy S5 Mini with a cracked screen, so I'm not sure if it's working though. It's got some pretty good damage. Trash hauled a Galaxy S3 Mini. There's no back cover. Well, it does have, but it's broken. I trash hauled myself one of the first iPads, the iPad 1, first generation from 2010, first model from the first model from 2010. And you have the 16 gigs version, and you have the 32 gigs version, and that's this one. So this is a collector's item for me. The reason is this is the first iPad model, so, and the most of the first iPad model, I'm going to keep it myself. I'm not going to resell it. And yeah, I do like it though. Well, this is my first iPad, iPad 1, so this is a collection worth for keeping and not for resale. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That's the camera I trash hauled. Fucking dump. Fuck up, bitch. Well, hope you enjoyed this review, and see you in the next one. Next video. Oh no, I don't have it anymore. Hope you enjoyed, and see you. Ooh, nice ass. Suck dick.